Hello students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes, and this is your biology class. Students, today I am going to start the revision class of chapter 2, the flower. Okay students, so the flower. What is the beautiful part of a plant? That is flower. Why do you like the flower? Why you like the flower most? Because of their beautiful color and beautiful structure. That's why everybody like the flower. And in the plant, the beautiful part of a plant is the flower. Actually, because they serve the beautiful structure and the color. Also, apart from this, flower also represent the reproductive part of a plant body. Okay, students, means it is the most important part. Flower is the most important part of a plant because it represents the reproductive part of a plant body. And why is the reproductive part of flower is most important? Because of the multiplication of the species. Means the reproductive part help in the multiplication of the species. That's why flower is the most important part of a plant because it represents the reproductive part. Okay students, so first of all we will discuss about the structure of the flower. In the flowers are actually arranged in a hole. Hole means ring. The flowers are arranged in a hole or a ring, and in a flower there are 4 holes. Flowers are arranged in 4 holes. Hole means ring. ये फ्लावर्स होते हैं जो रिंग में अरेंज होते हैं, जिसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है there are 4 holes in a flower. First is calyx. Second is corolla. Third is androecium. Fourth is gynoecium. Okay students, there are 4 holes in a flower. First hole calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Actually this androecium and gynoecium is the androecium is a male reproductive part of a flower and gynoecium is a female reproductive part of a flower. And first of all we will discuss about the first hole. First hole, the calyx. It is the outermost hole of a flower, and the outermost color, suppose that you have seen the bud in a flower. When the flower is in bud stage, you have seen. So when it is in bud stage, the outer covering of the flower, which is the green leaf-like structure, cover the flower. So the outermost hole of a flower is called the calyx. It contains a green leaf-like structure that is called sepals. It contains sepals. It has a green leaf-like structure, and the main function of the sepal is to protect the flower when it is in bud stage. Okay. The second hole is the corolla. It is the second hole of a flower which contains petals. Petals are of different color. In different flowers, the color of the petal is also different. And the petals is the most, because of the petals, the flower look like beautiful because of the color of the petals. So the main function of the petal to attract the insect for pollination. Actually, mostly insects attract the attract towards the flower because of their beautiful color. So the color of the petal, color of the flowers because of the petals. So petals gives the color to the flower. It attracts the insect for the pollination also. And third hole is the androecium. Androecium is also called a male reproductive part of a flower. It contains, this male reproductive part of a flower contains filament and anther. The structure of the male reproductive part of a flower is like this. This is the filament and this is the anther. Inside the anther, this is filament and this is anther. And the arise that what is the name the male reproductive part of flower? The answer is stamen, because stamen contains the filament and anther, and this anther, inside the anther there are pollen grains. Inside the anther there is pollen grains, means anther encloses the pollen grains. So the male reproductive part of flower is the stamen. It is also called androecium, and stamen contains a filament. A tube-like structure is called filament, and at the tip of the filament there is an anther. Anther encloses the pollen grains. Next is the gynoecium. Gynoecium is actually the female reproductive part of a flower. Okay, so the female reproductive of flower is the carpel or pistil. We can say either the carpel or pistil. When the question arises that name the female reproductive part of flower, the answer is carpel or pistil. And the structure of the carpel or pistil is like this. This is the stigma. पॉड शेप स्ट्रक्चर होता है, जो फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर्स होता है कैसा होता है, पॉड शेप. सो दिस इज द स्टिग्मा, दिस इज स्टाइल, एंड दिस इज द ovary, and inside the ovary there are ovules. Ovules are present inside the ovary. This is ovules, and the whole structure is called carpel or pistil. Okay students, so the function of the stigma is to receive the pollen grains at the time of the pollination. At the time of pollination, when the pollen grains release from the anther and fall on the stigma, because stigma is sticky in nature, that's why it receives the pollen grains. And when the pollen grains fall on that place, on the stigma, it germinates and form a pollen tube, and for this pollen tube penetrate the stigma, and through the style it reaches the ovule. Okay students, this process is called fertilization. So students, this is the structure of a flower, and this part is called pedicel. What is pedicel? When you pluck a flower, you hold the flower at this place. At the time of plucking, you hold the flower that which place, that is called pedicel. Means actually pedicel is attached directly to the stem. The main function of the pedicel is to attach the flower from the stem. Next is the thalamus. Thalamus is actually the green swollen part of a flower, is called thalamus. And next is the first hole. First hole, that is called calyx, which contains sepals. This is sepals. Sepals are the green leaf-like structure which cover the flower, which protect the flower when it is in bud stage. Next to the sepals, there are second hole, that is called corolla. Corolla contains the petals. This is the petals. It gives the color to the flowers. Means petal provide the color to the flower. Petals, because of the beautiful color, insect attract towards the flower. Petals gives the color to the flower. And third hole is the androecium, means which contain stamen. So this is the stamen. You can see here, this is the filament, and this is the filament, and this is the anther. And combinedly, this anther and filament is called stem. Next, it is also called male reproductive part of a flower. Next to the innermost hole of a flower is the androecium, that contains carpel or pistil. So this is the female reproductive part of flower. You can see here the pod-like structure. This is the stigma. This is style, and this is ovary. The swollen basal part of the carpel is the ovary. Ovary contains ovule, and combinedly all these parts are called carpel or pistil. You can say either the carpel or the pistil. So this is the structure of a flower. In our next video, we will discuss about the types of flower. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.